I went on and I decided to leave school at 15, as unfortunately my dad woke up and he was paralysed from the waist down with a disease called hemangioba, blood vessels in the spinal cord. So my dad got fired immediately for being disabled. That wouldn't happen nowadays, but it did back then. And I left school at 15 with absolutely nothing. I am dyslexic, and I wasn't that great at school anyway. So when I left, I just had this passion and determination and can-do attitude. And my dad always used to say to me, Michelle, it doesn't matter where you're from. It doesn't matter what education you manage to get. It doesn't matter your race, if you're from money or not from money. If you've got that passion and determination, you can make it. We've got to all have that confidence. We're only on this earth once, so why not just go for it? And as soon as you doubt yourself or your product or your company, everyone else will doubt you. So I always walk in there extremely confident, apart from the start of my speech. So my dad always taught me that. So I wasn't really that scared leaving school at 15 until I went round all the doctor's surgeries and dentist surgeries and no one would give me a job because I didn't have a national insurance card number. But eventually I got a job as a fashion model and I absolutely hated it.